think this is a factory mistake and it was not used. No, it was open. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar. This one is so elegant and luxurious. The price for this one is 185 euros and we have 12 products, as you can see the drawers. This is the bejeweled chest of beauty treasures. I have received it a couple of hours ago and I'm super excited to unbox it with you today because this is one of the advent calendars that I wanted to get for me, not for unboxing videos. You can definitely keep this beautiful box and organize your makeup products. By accident, I also found this hidden place here. Before we start, share this video with a friend that likes advent calendars and also subscribe for more unboxing videos. I don't have any products by this brand. Let me know if you have any favorites. For this advent calendar, we don't have any numbers, but at the end of the day, you can keep it like this on your vanity, so it's not that bad. I'm gonna start with the first drawer. Oh, what's it do? Ooh, they're huge. The first product is the Beauty Light Wound Easy Highlighter and we have 12 milliliters. I think this is a full size. Let's see exactly what we have. Ooh, very bougie. I'm curious to see the applicator. Ooh, so cute. So we have a little sponge here and I will try to not waste product. I'm not sure. Should I do something? Oh my god. You need to open it. So you need to twist it and get the product out. This is such a beautiful color. Creamy and blendable. This is looking very natural on my skin. I don't think it's gonna work for deeper complexions, but it is very soft. So maybe you can also use it for darker skin tones. I want to see if we can blend it on top of powder. So it gives a very soft glow. I think it is better to use it on your foundation before powder. And this is how the drawer looks. You have so much space. Drawer number 2. And this is what we have. The next product is a color Chameleon Copper Lights. It looks like a jumbo eye pencil. So let's find out. Ooh. So most likely this is an eyeshadow. And let's see the color that we got. Oh my god, it is golden and super soft. This one is setting almost immediately. It's not so easy to blend it after a couple of seconds. That means the eyeshadow can last all day. And this is the color once you blend it out. This is super pretty for a Christmas eye look. It has a very nice beautiful sheen. I like that. This is also a full size. And let's continue with drawer number 3 here. I think this is a mini size. We have the Rock and Call Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in the shade Barbarella Brown. Ooh, that's very creamy. I'm almost touching my skin and this one has a very nice opacity. Super nice. And let's blend it out and see the color. As you can see, it is almost setting. So this is gonna be a very nice product for the waterline. And you can use both of them for a brown smoky eye look. After that, we have a bigger drawer. This is very lightweight. I'm gonna say a lip pencil. Ooh, maybe it is. And this one here is the Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in the shade Pillow Talk. I think this is the most famous shade of this brand. This one has very nice color payoff as well. This one can look fantastic on everyone. This one is also setting very fast. I'm very curious to try all of the products and do a wear test, to be honest. So let me know if you would like to see something like that. Let's continue with product number 5. This one feels a little bit heavier. Maybe we have a skincare product. This one is the Goddess Skin Clay Mask. It can visibly lift, smooth, brighten and reduce the appearance of pores for baby soft skin. Okay, do we believe all of these claims? And we have here 15 milliliters. This is definitely a mini size. I think for this type of product, 15 milliliters is not enough. So I'm hoping I can use this 3 times at least. And here we have drawer number 6. This is lighter. I'm gonna say a lipstick. It's not. This one here is the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes. And I'm guessing this is a mascara. It is in super black. Let's talk about the packaging first. It is adorable. We have a plastic applicator with very short bristles. I'm super curious to try it out and do a wear test and use it again and again. And this is also a mini product. Number 7. Oh my god, no. I think I'm opening the wrong doors. I messed up. That was drawer number 8. Let's continue now with drawer number 6. This is heavier. Maybe we have something like a serum. Oops, it's cute. Oh, it's a serum. I found it. This is the Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. We have shiny letters on the packaging. Not easy to read. This is a crystal infused Replexium serum for younger looking miracle skin. It can last 12 months and we have 8 milliliters. Okay, this is definitely a mini size. Usually with serums you don't use a lot every day, so I think this quantity is a lot for at least a month. Ooh, it's very spreadable, and I have used just one drop. I don't remember. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It has a soft scent of roses. It doesn't say if it contains rosehip oil or extract, so yeah, but basically we don't have the ingredients, so what am I looking for? It is fast absorbing and a little bit sticky. It smells amazing. Okay, so after that we have day number 7. This is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer. I wanted to try this for a while now, and it is a mini size. We have 15 milliliters, and this one is for tired dull skin. It has a fluorescent core that can reflect light around the face to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and imperfections. Okay, so it can give like a soft blurring effect. I'm so curious to use this, so I'm gonna use just a little bit. Ooh, it has a golden finish, and after you blend it you don't see anything. This one has some very fine micro glitter. Maybe these are the particles that reflect the light. I would like to have this in a full size. Up next, drawer number 9 is not very light, so I'm guessing that we have a face product. Oh no, it's a lipstick. This is a full size and it says Pillow Talk. I think this is the shade. So let's see, we have a creamy lipstick, and this is such a pretty packaging. As I can see, I have some marks on my lipstick. I think this is a factory mistake and it was not used, but I would like it to be completely flawless. This is very creamy, and we have it in exactly the same shade of the lip liner. This is a color that is going to be flattering on any skin tone. This is a full size and also a very iconic product by Charlotte Tilbury. The next one here is a little bit heavier. I think they have an eye cream, so I'm going to say that. And this is the Supermodel Body Shape, Hydrate and Glow. It says cheat your way to a supermodel body in a tube. Your dream body shortcut without the workout. I don't know what we have here. Oops. Let's swatch a little bit and find out. Oh, this is looking like a body highlighter. Ooh, it's very spreadable. It smells alcohol for some reason. This one gives a very nice soft golden glow. Even though this is very spreadable for a body product, 15 milliliters is not enough quantity. I don't know, maybe you can use this strategically and not all over your body. The next drawer is heavier, and I think we have a full size. Let's see. It looks like skincare. This is the Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. We have 15 milliliters. I'm guessing this is a mini size. The glass bottle is adorable, and I'm guessing that this is a face cream. Let's continue with drawer number 12. And this is a lot heavier. Maybe this is a lip gloss. I don't think so. No. It was open. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night. stay all day. And we have here 34 milliliters. I'm guessing this is a full size. I'm not very sure, but we have a lot of product here. And I'm very, very curious about the mist. Prepare to see my happy face. The mist is not so fine and it has a very pleasant scent. I'm not sure, I don't know. And it says it can prime and set for up to 16 hours. Instantly lock in your look for makeup magic that looks just applied. And the packaging is super pretty for this product as well. And for my face products, now they are looking softer and I have a very light, healthy glow. I think it looks amazing, especially if you like that editorial glow that you see in every magazine. It looks very, very nice and natural. I like it. I'm back. I found the prices. Moment of truth. I like the variety of the products. We also have some favorites by the brand, but the overall value is not that great. It is almost 250 euros. For a brand like this one, when you're paying so much money, you want to choose the colors. With this advent calendar, you can't. We also got a lot of mini products. I would like to have 2 more full-size products so that the overall value would be better. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 3.5 stars and let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this one. You can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!